This is outside. Holy crap! That's from our backyard. What the heck is it doing over here? Wait, is that from us? No, that's not. Maybe, I don't know. I don't know what it's from. That's ours. So let's put this back. Holy snap, hello. See, I told you this made me sing. Holy crap, dude. There used to be like stuff all around here. Let's see what else we got. Ah, it's so cold too. No back here. Oh, another one coming. Yep. We don't have any garbage. Oh, it's so cold out here though. Yep, it's another one. Something, I don't know what that is. It looks like it's from a roof or something. This is our front yard. See, I told you there's papers. There's garbage everywhere. Oh gosh, this is against the wind now. You see how badly I'm shaking. That's only because it's cold. Alright, I got to go inside for a second to get my dog and then I'm back out here! As you can see how badly I'm shaking. But I'm okay. Alright, let's come here. It's me! Hello! Ow! Ow! Hello! You ready to come upstairs?
Excited to see you.
Where's her owl, Alicia? Ow.
Her
Ow. Yeah, ow.
Wherever you put it.
Okay. Ow! Ow! You're scratching the back of my legs, dog! Ow, ow! You need to stop pulverizing me. Okay, come here. Come here, it's okay. Alright, there we go. Alright, I get to go back out in the storm.
It's warm.
Yeah, it's a windstorm out there.
It's a what?
I thought it's a windstorm. Yeah.
It's bad,
I
too.
can hear the cans being picked
And,
up.
20 till dinner, okay?
22? Okay.
Get you guys up there.
Okay, thank you.
No problem. Alright. Hold on. Up. Just cleaning here right now. Wait, up. Wait. Back. Ugh. Hello. Oh, it's a leaf. I was like, what is that? It's a leaf. Sky. It's darker than it looks. Literally, it's darker than it looks out here. Like a little darker. Oh, don't you start shivering, dog. Yeah, don't you start shivering. Yeah, don't you start shivering. You're gonna start making me freak out. Alright. Well, let's look around before I go inside. Alright, bye guys.